Wonderful good morning. Well, London started and Trader Oracle is here already. So first applause goes to Trader Oracle. Welcome. What a beautiful, beautiful day. Again. So, let's check out what's happening. We had some movement during the Asian session. Yeah, look at this move. Well, it was not specifically Asian, but what? This was some news driver. Crypto Panda is here and Gaurav. Hey there. Welcome, my man. Nice to see you guys. Everybody deserves an applause. We had some movement around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Was somebody talking? This was I don't know what news was this, but anyway. Let's go over all the futures went up at that time, 8 p.m. yesterday. Anyway, ES actually made a new high here after market hours. That's interesting. So, let me see. I'm still bullish, of course. Should be breaking that 5,000 level. As for NQ, well, I'm looking at the 1 hour on both ES and NQ, and I don't know. I don't know. What is going on? Relative equal highs, which is very interesting. If we go to the 15-minute chart, or 5-minute, whatever. This is very juicy up here. Once here. I like those. Good targets for the day. The question is, how do we get there? That's the only question. How are we going to get there if the bias is still bullish? And this was also tricky yesterday. Wow. I mean, made the low, wasn't able to break it here. So now, good question. We have order blocks. Bullish order block here. We could have a reaction. If we check the 1 hour chart. Well, not a perfect order block, so could be dropping down all the way to the 600s. No support or anything. I am bearish for the session. Yeah. As long as price is below 665. You might be right here. As far as I'm looking at the 1 hour candles, and this candle here yesterday 2 p.m. long wick, consequent encroachment was taken, so we have an important level at 600 down there. I'm just gonna mark it out because I think that level is sort of important, or could be important. Okay, what else? Do we have some news? Let me check. No major news in the morning. We have a little bit of a Swiss region currency reserves. Otherwise, nothing extra. We have FOMC member talking in the New York session. So, nothing major. Nothing major, but somebody was talking. Oh my god, Hamas. Oh, German industrial production year on year. Let me refresh it. Production, ECB. Somebody was from ECB was talking. Okay, that's not important. Yeah. It can still go down all the way to the 600s. Down to the 5-minute. We definitely have some kind of a sell side right down there. Do we have some sell side here? I don't know. Drop those likes, guys. Drop the like. I think we have a good opportunity here. Let's hope. If I would go short to take this sell side, I would like to see a significant displacement down there. Otherwise, I'm not taking it. We have the daily highs here. By the way, let me check something. All right. Okay. Yeah, I just checked that the BULENOX discount went down to 72% and 45%. Just wanted to check. Okay. So what you guys are thinking? Any idea what's gonna happen? Okay. Okay, all right. Nothing is happening so far. Less than 5 minutes until market open. Let's see what we get. Most likely not too much. And about ES, yeah, let's just check ES. We have a fair value gap here at 49.68. Look at how price got rejected on these levels. But definitely want to push it. I mean, at least they wanted it yesterday. As for the Russell, I know you guys don't trade it, but I love these highs here on the Russell. Like them. So I'm only looking at the Russell because I'm trading it with the indicators. We had a sell signal earlier on Nasdaq. So not sure. I think we had the sell signal right around here in this area. So far this area was holding up. So let's see what happens now. Jó reggelt, üdvözöllek. Good morning, welcome. Good morning. Seems like we have a quiet morning. So we had one more major move. Well, so-called, well, it was a major move counting in the fact that it was after hours, the Nasdaq moved like how much? 60 points? No, 40 points. No, 50 points. Moved 50 points, and now we're just gonna wait of what's gonna happen. My funded futures deal is very good. Yeah, exactly. $90 for a 50k account, guys. Go check him out. Use my link if you can. Really, it's a good deal. $90 with no activation fee for a 50k account. That's the best value right now on the market, including the true cost, including activation fee and everything. So even if you take Apex or whatever, the best deal right now is my funded futures 50k account. So if you use my link, just type in FAB10. The code is FAB10. You can try Thumbsable too, but I don't know, that should give you the 5 or 10% as well. But whatever you choose, no activation fee during this sale period at my funded futures. So the best deal right now, the best deal altogether. All right, market is about to open. 20 seconds. Not that I expect anything. The only thing I would like to see here after market open is, well, something like this. With a displacement, of course. Okay, 5 seconds. Market is open. Let's see if it gives us an opportunity to jump in. The 1 minute looks like nothing. You can also try to, well, 644.75. Let me check those levels. All right. I just put in a limit order up there. If we get there, if it just spikes up there, because if this one is going to hold, I want to go down with it and maybe take a hold on. Hold on. All right, let's start to go. This might be it. I'm gonna let you guys know if I enter a trade. I have a limit order at 44 somewhere. Let me check. I have a limit order at 45. The reason is this fair value gap with a structure shift, and the second reason is that it didn't take out the lows here. So if it goes back into that gap, I'm gonna take it. But if not, then we're just gonna leave it as it is. So I'm only risking a very small amount. So 645 is my limit entry order, just saying. Almost triggered. I'm filled. Limit entry has been filled. 645 is my entry right there. My stop loss is 654.25. So I'm very tight on this one. I'm gonna hold it until it drops, if it drops. But if it just breaks higher, let it be. I don't care. I don't care. So my target is going to be, well, yeah, 626 for now. 626. 626.25. All right. Let's see if this one is going to hold. If it's not going to hold and if we're breaking higher, then who cares anyway, right? So then this was not the move that we were waiting for to make some new lows. And we have a fair value gap down there as well on the 15 minute. I think we can still see that. No fair value gap. All right. But there is one here, a tiny one. Right here. Small one, but it's a fair value gap. Let me check it. Oops, sorry. That was just my indicator. Oh no, the dog is barking. Oh no. Had to close the window because the neighbor's dog is just too loud. It's too loud. Okay, anyway. You can still hear that, I know. That is ludicrous. Wishing for a move you imagine in your mind rather than using edge that extracts money from the market. Nas the Dragon. What do you mean by that? I don't know. That is ludicrous. Wishing for a move you imagine. Oh, you mean I anticipate this move? Okay. Well, yeah. I'm definitely wishing for a move in this direction. I hope. I mean, my wish comes true. But yeah. I mean, this fair value gap was still holding. That doesn't mean it's still going to hold. But, you know. I mean, I was not imagining exactly because I had an entry signal in this area. So using my indicators, I'm just going to show you. Here's my entry signal. So exactly the same area that I took right now on the Nasdaq futures, so NQ1. It was not based on my imagination, but I took it also because of this. So and we still have some liquidity down there. That was one of my reasons to take it. So let's see if we gonna get it or not. So that was an extra confirmation for me. We had the fair value gap still holding. We have liquidity down below, and also my moving average / RSI indicators pointing to the downside. And we have sell side liquidity down there that can be taken. That is my analysis for this trade. But let me know what you guys think. Even if it takes me out, you know, was my plan. Let's see what ES is doing. Okay. ES still has some room to go down. Now ES has a beautiful fair value gap down there. I'm gonna mark this one out as well here. So if it wants to take it out, I'm ready for it. That would be awesome. Dollar index. Let's check the dollar index. Previous day low. Oh, you know, if you to start to get a little bit of strength here, who knows? So if we break higher than this level, then we're just offside, and we're gonna be looking for something else maybe. We're in the kill zone, so I took it. I took it. We had no signals this morning. I mean, this one could have been a signal, but the spread was so high on FTMO, I didn't take it. Maybe the Russell will give us something, who knows. Let's see what's the downside on the Russell. I know nobody trades the Russell, I know that. We have a nice fair value gap down there. So if I see a signal there, that might also be an opportunity to take that. Serdar, hey, good morning. Good morning, and applause. Oh no, it's going against me. How you doing? How are you doing? And how is everybody doing? So if we're gonna break higher than this, where could we go? Could be making a new daily high. We have some liquidity here. Let's check the 1 hour. Yeah, we can definitely go higher. To make a new daily high. And you know, this might be it. This might be the daily low. So I might be offside here easily. Easily. You know how these things go. Good luck to you as well. I started to a new prop firm. Nice, nice. Which one, if I may ask, or if we may know that? I wish you all the good luck. Take it slowly, you know. Build up the profits. Trade Day. I heard of them. I'm gonna check them out. Trade Day. Trade Day. So I want to see the main rules of how they work. They have a 14-day. Are they futures or are they forex? They're futures. Okay. Okay. Okay, they have a profit target of 2,500 on the 50K. Trailing max. Okay, end of day. That's good. 5 mini 50 max. Okay, that's also good. Looks good. Looks promising. I like it. I like it. I like it. trade day. Yeah, I'm just checking their website. It has 30% eval consistency rule. Well, that's not a big deal if you're building it step by step. You know, how much is the activation fee? Evaluation and qualified funded trader objectives. Platform. Trade await. Okay. You can also connect your own NinjaTrader. Okay, looks decent. Do they have the rhythmic connection? Because if they have it, it should be able to connect with Quantower. Evaluation and what is the activation? What is the process? Okay. Professional market data. If trader chooses to fund live, we aim to complete the process. The trader must pay the per month, $135 per month for the funded account per month. Okay, so that's a little bit of a downside, but not a big deal. I think no activation fee. I'm not sure about activation fee. No rhythmic. It says here, if the trader chooses funded live. Oh, that's the funded live. Okay. We aim to complete. Hold on. Cancel subscription. Blah blah blah. Onboarding payments. Rise works. Blah blah blah. Okay. Trade day has one-off activation fee, setup fee. Okay, let's see how much is that. Professional market data. Okay, $135 per month per exchange. I don't know what that means. 2 month. Okay, dollar credit card processing. Blah blah blah. So $135 per month. That's a little bit expensive. Not a big deal though, but dildo. I said dildo. So not a big deal, but no fee. It says here it has some fee. I think I'm just misreading it. It says, are there any fees when I'm funded? Trade day has a one-off setup fee for both funded and funded live accounts of $139. Please note that this fee is only collected once. Okay, all right. It's only collected once. If trader choose funded sim and graduates funded live by hitting 5K, you have to pay the activation fee again. The one-off setup fee will have blah 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 30 days. Okay, so there. Okay, the professional. Okay, so there's a professional market data fee. Okay, all right. Sorry. I was. Anyway, they have a $139 one-time activation fee, which is normal. Okay, all right. My mistake. It's for live account. Yeah. Okay. That's cool. All right, in this trade so far, nothing is moving. No news. Had some Swiss news at the open. I don't know. This gap is still holding. Not sure how long. I'm in a short position. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. Oh, sorry guys. I was just a little bit sleepy still. Push the like button and consider to subscribe. We're here every London session and New York as well. And so far, this is the only trade I have. And it might be going against me. The reason I took this trade, you guys might be asking, is for just some small reasons. First one is we have still some fair value gap down there as a target. Also, after the kill zone started, it managed to break lower, but it actually didn't. So I thought that the London Open will bring it down lower. I think there is a nice sell side right down there at the 600s. Overall, in the big picture, I'm bullish though. I was just hoping that it will make a new low after London Open, and then we will go up there. But it seems like it's going against me. And also my other confirmation was that my indicators were telling me to go short in this area, which I did. So these were my reasons to take the trade, and that's it. All right. You can withdraw money in simulated peer and live account anytime and any day. That's awesome, man. That is actually awesome. Is there a minimum threshold that you have to leave on the account? I guess there should be. Or I don't know. But still, that's good. That's a good thing. That's a good thing to have. Bum, 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 bum. Check out my funded futures, no activation fee. $90 for a 50K account. That is the best deal, guys. That's the best deal. $90 overall, including activation fee for a 50K account. You can use my link down below in the description and type in Feb 10 or Feb 15 or Feb 20, depending on which account size you choose. The cheapest in the market right now, including activation fee and everything, a one-time price of $90 for a 50K account. No more fees or anything. No activation. Overall, the best value right now, my funded futures. $90 for a 50K account. That's the cheapest one right now on the market. But Apex also has a sale, 80% off. And during this period, if you get the account is going to have a 50% discount on a reset, which is also a good deal. So both of these firms are doing a great deal right now. Go check them out. And if you prefer, use my links and codes, and you can help out the stream a little bit. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm still looking for this to just tank. But it seems like it's beautifully holding up this area. It's slowly taking the stairs up, which I don't like. They put you in a live account when you make 5K profit. It is similar to Apex. Yeah, well, most of these companies put you in a so-called live account. We don't know that. They just say that they put you in a live account. If it's a real live account, you will never know, because you will see everything like the same. It's just gonna say live. But on our end, for me, it's totally, I don't give a damn if it's a live or a simulated account. We should be seeing the same market data. So this question always arising, because despite that which prop firm are we talking about, it can be TOPSTEP, Apex, whatever, my funded futures. If they say they put you on the live account, are you really going to go into the live market or not? That's the big deal. Although I think TOPSTEP puts you into the live account, because if you're not going to the live account, they have to pay out most of the profits to you from the XFA account. So if they put you in a live account, they just put the money which they should be paying out to the trader into a live account, with a higher probability that the trader is going to blow up because of the stress level. It's all, you know, psychological, guys. They tell you that, oh, you're a super trader, we're going to put you on a live account because you're so great. But on their business model, it can be TOPSTEP, it can be Apex, whatever. On their business model, it's just a psychological edge for them against you. Because, you know, if it's your first time, oh my god, I'm on a live account and wow, this is the real live market. That's a pressure. That's an extra pressure in your head that they want to put you in, because it's better for them if you lose that simulated fund than paying it out to you. And they just say that you're on a live account. I'm sorry if I sound too much of a conspiracy theorist, but that's a good business model for prop firms to say that you are on the live market, but you're basically not on the live market. Or I don't know. Let's not go into that. I don't want to rant about it. Prop firms are not your friend. That's the first thing you have to understand. Prop firms are not your friend. It's a good vehicle to pull out some money from the market, but prop firms are against the trader. Do not forget that ever. There's really not even the future prop firms. I mean the futures. Maybe they pull out some very good traders from the majority and they really put them on the live account, but even the best of the best futures prop firm, they're not your friend. They don't want you to succeed. They don't want you to make big payouts. They want more and more people to fail, even that they're registered with CFTC or SEC. Prop firms are not looking at your best interest. Trust me on that. But it's a very, very, very good vehicle to pull out money and learn risk management, I think. But you can disagree with me anytime. You're welcome. It happened to Patrick Whelan. Patrick takes TOPSTEP to court. Why? What? Come on, Serdar. Come on. What? Why is he taking them to court? He said that during the live streams. Why? Come on, Serdar. Come on. Let's give me some gossip here. Nobody hears us, so. But they told me the other day they was my friend and. Crypto Panda. That's what they told you. Oh no. They are not trader friendly. It's a business model, guys. So never forget, prop firms have great websites. Well, except Apex. Apex should be updating their website, but still. They have nice websites. They're smiling like, oh, we love you guys. We love you traders. No, they are prop firms are a casino, and they have an edge, and they do everything to push you, to stress you, to put a chip on your shoulder. They do everything what they can from the back end to mess you up and make you lose your money. That's it. TOPSTEP has their tricks. For example, TOPSTEP forces you to trade minis. TOPSTEP has a little bit ugly profit split system. That's a little bit ugly to take 50%. And you guys don't see the big picture. There's a saying in my country that maybe you have the same saying. In my country, we say you don't see the forest because of one tree that you're staring at. So you're staring at one tree and you don't see the whole forest behind it. I don't know how to put it in English anyway. It was a lie, Crypto Panda. It was a lie. He said a couple of weeks ago, all prop firms are designed for traders to fail. Exactly. All odds against traders. Yes, exactly, Gaurav. But if you know how to handle it, if you know discipline, if you're a disciplined trader, if you're not taking it as a gamble, but you put in the time and the effort, there is technically a chance that you can pull out money. Yes, you can make money from prop firms, but it requires extreme discipline and cool thinking, you know. You have to be, you know, on your best behavior when trading with prop firms. It's a good business model. I wish I had the capital and the money to establish a prop firm. I would do that definitely. I love to have a prop firm because that's like the best way. That's like a modern generation online casino if you own a prop firm, guys. They're killing the market. from the whole planet, everybody is registering. Everybody wants to be a Lambo trader, and they're just pouring in, even from poor countries. I know they're putting in their last dollars for a prop account. And anyway, Patrick said that he sued the TOPSTEP. He said that TOPSTEP owes him money and did something against the... Oh, that's actually brand new to me. I never heard that before, Serdar. That's new for me, actually. That's brand new information. I knew that there had some kind of a beef with TOPSTEP, but I didn't know that that he actually sued them. Because the other day, I mean, in December or something, they were like super good buddies, super friends. Like, we love you, we love you, TOPSTEP, and TOPSTEP, we love you, Patrick. He was on live stream and they loved each other. What the hell happened? Who knows? Morning, money for the masses. Morning, just joined and can see I have taken the same trade as you. The same trade? All right, man. That is awesome. Well, we think much alike. You and me are very much the same. There was an entry on the Russell too, but it's, look at this. It's almost like untradeable at this point. I did not want it to jump into that. So anyway. Anyway, segue. I might get 200k static account Apex. It's gonna be like a challenge due to the total drawdown only. Yeah, but profit goal is 2k for 27. Yeah, that's a good deal actually for $27. You know, $27 you get basically a $625 account. So like you would give $27 to someone, and in exchange that person deposits $627 to an account, and you can do what you want. So actually that's not a bad deal. Really, you have to treat it like you have $625 on a trading account, and I think that's a good deal. That's a really good deal, especially if you trade it like that. You go with micros, 1 or 2 micros, more than enough. Yes, you still oh yeah, I absolutely, yeah, let's not forget that. So yeah, overall that's true. So $177, you deposit $177, and there you have it. Yes, exactly. With micros, definitely with micros. You have to go with micros, 1 or 2 micros. Damn, they sent out the fighter jets again. We have an air base, and they're flying these fighter jets again. It's too loud. Okay, so ES is still going sideways. This is my only trade here that I took. I'm a little bit in drawdown. I can show you guys. Actually, I don't even know where it is. What is going on here? So here's my trade. And that's it. That's basically it. Hopefully it will get into profit. But if not, it's still fine. Nothing, yeah, absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. This is just a very slow and very sad price action. The best accounts are under 50k, yeah. Almost all prop firms due to the drawdown versus profit target. Yeah. And again, I have to tell you this, guys. Go check out my funded futures. Check out my link, which is in the chat right now. And register at my funded futures. I'm telling you guys, do it now. This is not something you should consider. This is something you have to do right now. Because go register with this link. And you can use the FEB10 code, FEB10 or FEB15 or FEB20. You can get the 50K starter account with no activation fee. End of day trading, by the way, just saying, not intraday, end of day trading, and no activation fee for $90. So right now, that's the best deal in the market, my funded futures. Apex has an 80% sale, which is still awesome. But if you include the activation fee, my funded futures is the best deal as of today. I don't know for how many days. I think sometime in February they're going to end the deal. But, you know, $90 for a 50K account with no activation is the best. And end of day trailing, not intraday. And no minimum trading days. So guys, I mean, it doesn't really get any better than that. $90 with everything. Only dice on maximum withdrawal of 2K. Yeah, but you know, if you withdraw 2K, let's face the reality, guys. Reality check again. How many of us, including me, can withdraw more than 2K from a 50K account in 40 days? Just, you know, reality check, really. With all due respect, I know some of you guys can do it, I know. But how big is the possibility to withdraw 2K in every 2 weeks from a 50K funded account? Right? So don't worry about the 2K withdrawal limit. It's still a monthly 4K that you can withdraw from a 50K account. Not me as well. Not me as well, but... Apex has the cheapest starter fee. It's like $85, I think, but it's a monthly fee, Apex. But still, for example, I don't even know how much is the... I think they have a 167. 33 plus 85. The cheapest account... The cheapest 50K account, including the monthly, not the one time, the monthly activation fee is $118. So still my funded futures is the cheapest. Until the sale goes on, of course. I did that in my dream yesterday. Very good, Gaurav. Now you're going to, you know, you're going to make that a reality. You know, the secret, you know. The law of attraction. You're going to attract that to you. That's why I look better prop firm. Yeah. You should check Trade Day and Blue Sky. I'm gonna check them out later. For now, I'm using BULENOX, Apex, and my funded futures. TOPSTEP not so much today because I had this small issue and I have one 50K account with TOPSTEP, but I just don't have the desire right now to trade TOPSTEP. Not that I think that's a bad company. It's a great company, but I'm trying to do something else. Apex at my account has 14 days withdraw window. Yeah, that's good, you know. BULENOX is good. So 14 day withdrawal window is good in my opinion. I think it's not bad. That is something that's, you know, as long as you can make a decent profit per month at least. I mean, I have no problem with the 14-day withdrawal. And some people says, oh, BULENOX has a difficult withdrawal process because first you have to reach $2,600 profit. And the minimum withdrawal amount is $1,000, but you still need the minimum threshold to be staying at $2,600 on the account. And people say, oh, it's too difficult. And I say that it's very simple. It's one of the simplest. You have to make $3,600. So first, you have to make $3,000. And the second phase is you have to make $3,600. So basically 2 steps. 2-step process. That's it. And you can withdraw $1,000. And the next $1,000 should be easier if you get there. Oh, darn it. We are going to get taken out from this trade. It seems like it. Darn it. Yeah, it seems like we're going to get taken out from this. In a drawdown, how am I going to live after this if I take this stop loss? I don't know. It's something that I can never digest this loss. This is too much for me. Consistency rule is 40%. Yeah. I mean, no activation fee for starter account also. Yeah. Sorry. No activation fee for starters. For 50K, we need to pay 150%. Yes, so if you are a brand new customer, by the way, at My Funded Futures, and you can type in my code if you register with my link and type in my code. I cannot check it because I cannot check with my own code. If you're a brand new customer at My Funded Futures, you might be having the first time new customer discount, which is maybe 40 or 50%. I don't know if they still have it. They had it, I know. In January, they had it all the way long. If you're a brand new customer at My Funded Futures, you can have a first and one time only 40 or 50% discount. So go register with my link, type in my code, and you will see if it drops down. Also, you can get the same, I mean, with the same deal, you can get the no activation. I think. I'm not sure. I was already stopped out. You were stopped out? Oh. 6, 48. Well, I'm still in the trade. My stop is 54.25, but all platform has some rules. They're absolutely not on the trader side. Yeah, I see. 648. Well, I'm still in this one, but I don't have high hopes. 4 points and I'm out. Apex is good for beginners. Well, Apex is good for everyone, I think. Apex is good for everyone. So, this morning I had this signal on my indicators. As you can see, the signal is actually not correct this time. That's why I also started to short on Nasdaq. On Russell, we also had some minor signal. I did not take it because I didn't like it. But so far, I think the Nasdaq is going to turn out bad this morning, which is fine. It's perfectly fine. Yesterday, we were killing it. Yesterday was awesome. So I think it's going to break this high. And we're gonna be out. I'm still in the trade, but as you can see, I'm already almost at my stop out level. So this is it. Consider to subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be a new update about how the signals and the trades doing with the indicator that we use. A new video is coming today or tomorrow to the channel, and don't miss out the next streams, and push the like button if you could support the stream a little bit. Thank you so much. And also check out the discount codes. Really good deals now. Oh, let me put this back. I messed up my stop loss. 54.25. Okay, now it's good. I just messed up my stop, but it's good now. It's good now. There. 54.25. So the same as on TradingView. Dominic is here. Hello. How are you doing? Silver bullet hour is almost over, but we're not giving up. It seems like Nasdaq wants to turn bullish for sure. I just don't have any other setup. Even if I look at the 5-minute, guys, no displacement. We're just wicking all the way, long wicks. No major momentum here. So I thought that we're gonna make a new low. That's why I entered the short in this fair value gap on the 1-minute. This one, sorry. And now I think there's not much to do. It can make a new high, actually take out this high at 61, which would be an easy target. Otherwise, nothing. But that's the beauty of trading. We move on to the next one. I'm making some money to pay for the monthly fee. Oh, take profit trade. Okay, all right, all right. That's the spirit right there. SMT on 5-minute. Maybe. Maybe. NQ can make a move to 340. Yeah. Well, that would require NQ to make a nice push to the upside and fastly, I mean, then turn back fast, turn down fast. I don't know. I don't know. For now, it definitely seems like a roller coaster. As long as ES 49.75 on 3-minute order block. ES. Your long ES. $49.73. So you're long from here. Bullish order block. 73.25. Bullish order block. Excuse me. It's a bullish order block. I don't know. I don't know if this is a bullish order block, but if you see a bullish order block, maybe this one. I don't know. Maybe. Not sure though. Stop loss 71.25. That's tight. That's a tight stop there. 71.25. Well, actually not that tight. Yeah, because there's no volume. Mm-hmm. 318. Let's check it. Oh, I see. Yeah, I was looking at this. 318 starts at 318 bullish order block. Well, technically, yeah. Well, I would like to see an order block to also change structure. So, for example, the candle on the 3-minute at 336. I would love to see this candle to close higher than 23.75, but still, well, you know, it took some lows, took a little bit of liquidity with these down close candles. I'd love to see an up close candle above these wicks here. That's when I would say that's a valid order block. But you know, if you prefer this as well, I mean, it's your choice. I'm not saying you're absolutely wrong. It actually took liquidity, so yeah. I don't know what NQ wants to do anymore. No real displacement, yeah. My peeps, there is nothing on the market. The silver bullet hour has not given us any single direction or displacement. So maybe if you're ICT and you go down to the 1 second chart, then maybe you can see some displacement. But other than that, I did not see anything. I don't know. No displacement, just chop. Yeah, we're in Chop City right now. We are in Chop City, and even my supersonic futuristic indicators from the future are also telling nothing. There could be a short signal on the Russell on the indicator, but we would need a structure to form here and the RSI to keep going nicely down, but I don't see anything right there for now. So, oh no, I'm out from the trade. I took the stop loss. Oh no. What am I gonna do now? Taking off my... I took a stop loss. What am I gonna do? I can't live like this anymore. Took a stop loss. Oh my god. I don't know how I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life after this one. It's too bad. Look at Zoltan is in profit. Should be. Okay. So I don't see anything other forming here. NQ wants to turn bullish, it seems like it. So I took this stop. I think we have a high chance to take out the 661 level. That's only 6 points. This is Chop City. And I took a loss. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's too bad. 660 is the test for NQ. Exactly. That's why I'm saying 660 or 661, the high of this move here. So if you guys have the balls, you can jump in at 52, maybe 52. You know what I'm gonna do? I might jump in. Let's see. That's 50. I might jump in there. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna. But if you want to take a scalp for a few points, I think the target is definitely good here in that area right there. If you want to go in, feel free. Sir, any trading gold? Saeed, I wish I could tell you I'm not trading gold. You should. I mean, I like to help, but you know, one good advice. If you want, you can take it. If you don't want, don't take it. Never ask anyone to take a trade on a pair. So never ask anyone, any other's opinion, what to say. So like this, like should I go long or short, because that's gambling. So do not trust what I say to you right now, if you should take a long or a short trade. But that being said, previous day high on gold, previous day low, since we're already out from the trade here, I can do this daily midnight open. So I'm not trading gold. I have no idea what's going on gold right now. It looks bullish. If I look at it on the 1 hour, it looks bullish to me. Took out these lows. You know, if you know, as ICT should say, gun to my head, I would say it's going to continue to go up. So you can take a long if you want to, but I don't know what's your strategy. I don't know your account, your risk management. So do not listen to me. This is not financial advice. This is only what this is like a guess what I'm doing right. I'm just guessing that it should take a new high, but it's basically nothing. So join us, Tom. Where? Hello, teacher. What's up? Join. What? Where do I join? What do I? I want to join. I join everything. You know, I like to join, but hello, teacher FX. How are you? So, where do I join? What to join? Is there anything to join? Join along? Well, I don't know what to join here. No problem, Saeed. This is my advice. Consider to take along if you like to. It looks more bullish than bearish, but I don't trade gold. I mean, I used to, but nowadays I don't. The long trade, I'm not joining the long. I took this loss. I took this loss, and I'm just waiting for a new signal. I was also waiting if this small fair value gap fills up here, but so far it's not. So the risk reward is off for me. So I'm not joining for now. Maybe what I'm gonna do is maybe I'm gonna take a short on the Russell. Who knows? If it gives me an entry, why not? If I look at the Russell, but only because of my indicators, I have some good targets on the 1 hour. I like them. Took out some highs. Why not go down to the 1 hour again? So yeah, who knows? Maybe I'll go short on the Russell if it gives me a trade entry. Anything can happen. Well, guys, there's not much happening. I wish I could tell otherwise. Silver bullet hour is over. And we need patience right now. Okay, still going for the 60s. Guys, again, this is watching paint dry. I wish I could entertain you somehow, but I don't have my hot tub. And my OnlyFans page is not open yet, so I have no other way to entertain you. But I will build my OnlyFans page. Don't worry. It's gonna be awesome. And I'm gonna be selling my hot tub water. It's gonna be great. Trust me. Otherwise, we have nothing. SMT on the 5-minute NQ. Well, I don't trust SMTs, especially in London. I tried SMTs every once a while. I just don't trust SMT, so I don't trade it really. In 1 minute, yeah, I'm checking the 1 minute, but nothing really. Nothing really. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Nothing on the Russell. If I have a signal for you guys, I'm gonna let you guys know. I'm checking the Russell index, by the way, because it's turning down a bit here. Not too much. I know it's full of gaps, but I'm checking on Forex too, the US 2000. But unfortunately, it's not going to give us the displacement that I was hoping for, so that's that. No displacement on the Russell. Well, guys, it's an uneventful trading session with a loss, but yesterday was a great day, so I don't know. Maybe maybe we will have something. Can this be a structure shift? I would be scared to take a short because of this high. It becomes so relevant right now, this area that I marked there, that I'm not sure I want to go for it. Russell index displaced down. Oh, not my cup of tea. What's the Russell here? 59, 61. What? Okay. So. Let's see what it brings us. Maybe nothing. Maybe nothing in the whole world. I'm just checking if I can put in some limit orders for the Russell, but I don't see a clear trade here. Even if it would like to go there, I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I don't bother with it. Let me know what you guys are doing. I'm just pushing my limit orders up and up and up. If I see an entry on the Russell, I'll jump in. Guys, this is painful to watch. So, I don't even know what to say. This is very painful to watch. This is super painful to watch. I'm not gonna take it. I'm just deleting my limit order from Russell too. I don't have anything. Ba-da-ba-ba. Although it's going down a bit, but has no retracement. So it's painful. So yeah, I'm not gonna do this because I just can't watch. It's untradeable, guys. I have better things to do. I mean, I love to be here with you guys, but it's just it's really tiring to watch this. So I'm gonna be coming back in the New York session, so I'm gonna cut it here. It's very painful, this price action. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and push the like button. Use the codes. The good sales are going on. Best value is my funded futures. If you subscribe with my link, type in my name, maybe you can get the first time 40% discount for the starter package. Check it out, and no activation fee. Apex is also a great deal. Go check them out. And guys, see you on the next live stream in New York or tomorrow in London. So thank you so much for watching. I think this is it. It's painful to watch and there's nothing to do. So I am very grateful for everyone. Love you guys. See you guys on the next stream. Thank you so much for being here. Cheers.